name's Doug Warren. I'm one of the construction lecturers here at Mid-Kent College, and today we're going to talk about the new maintenance course we're going to be running from September. The Level 2 Maintenance Operations is a recognised City and Guilds qualification, and it will give you the skill sets to be able to go out and work as a multi-trader. Okay, so the Level 2 Maintenance Operations course is based over 2 evenings a week, which still gives you the opportunity to still work and study. The assessment criteria for the course is broken down into practical and theory. In practical, you'll be graded on assessments, pass, merit, distinction for painting skills, plastering, carpentry and plumbing. And for the theory side, they are multiple choice end of unit exams based on different themes, which include, again, plastering, painting, plumbing and carpentry. You would do this course for a variety of different reasons. One, if you're an existing tradesperson out in the industry and you want to learn some new skill sets that are going to support your role within your current company, or if you're self-employed. You may also be to someone who's come in because they want to do some work on their own property and maybe save some money over a period of time doing up your own property instead of costing out to external contractors.